Ready to blast your favorite tunes on your next outdoor adventure with your new rugged Bluetooth speaker from Walmart. First, let's get this speaker paired with your device. Locate the power button on the speaker, typically marked with a power symbol. Press and hold it for a few seconds until you see the Bluetooth indicator light start flashing, usually blue. Now, grab your smartphone or tablet and head over to the Bluetooth settings. You will find it in your settings app under connections or Bluetooth. Your rugged Bluetooth speaker should pop up in the list of available devices. Its name might be something like rugged speaker or a model number. Tap on it to connect. Once paired, you can control playback directly from your device. Use your favorite music app to play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume. This speaker is designed for the outdoors, is built to handle splashes, dust, and even some bumps, so don't be afraid to take it along on your adventures. Most rugged Bluetooth speakers also include extra features like a charging port, an AUX input, and external features such as a carabiner or a built-in bottle opener. So, get out there, explore, and enjoy your music with the peace of mind, knowing your rugged Bluetooth speaker can handle whatever you throw at it.